Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Grwm and welcome to my beauty space. Oh, you couldn't even see my hands. Oh. So today I wanted to bring you this blue look. I love the way it turned out. I was just playing around with my makeup the other day and I did this look. I created this look and then I posted it on my Instagram. If you're not following me, you should follow me. But I posted this look and I asked you guys if you wanted a tutorial, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had so much fun. I'm gonna take this beat and go get something to eat, show it off a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy this wonderful day, and if you're not subscribed already, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is free 99. Join the Glow team, be part of this. And you got nothing to lose. All you're gonna do is learn how to glow and slay your looks. You know what I'm saying? So let's jump right into the video. I love doing that. So to start this look, I'm going in with the Sassy Siennas palette. And I'm going to take my Morphe 513. Yes, 513. And I'm gonna go in with this first shade. This is Oh So Sassy. Going to skip over the shade and I'm gonna go in with Foxy, the middle shade. I am so sorry, you guys. My camera got blurry on me and I didn't notice because I was so concentrated. But I'm just going back and forth into my crease. Now I'm going in with Brassy and let me use the same brush. I'm gonna concentrate that on the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going in with the last shade of the palette. This is Stay Sassy. And I'm going to pop this on the outer corner as well. And I'm going to try to keep it fairly low. Now I'm going in with the JACLYN Hill palette. I'm going to pick up this blue shade here. I don't know the name of it because this is like the first ones that came out that doesn't have all that jazz stuff that they did after they dropped this one, so I'm only saying. I'm gonna take this flat brush. It doesn't have a name on it or anything. Just use whatever flat brush you have, and I'm just gonna pick some up. Now I find that this shade in particular, you have to like press pretty hard to get some pigment out of it. Maybe it's the brush I'm using, I don't know. You can spray a little bit of Fix Plus, but I'm not gonna do that just yet. I'm not going to carve out my lids or anything because I want it to be more like blown out, more natural-ish. I'm just going to pop that on the lid. Oh, it's such a pretty blue. I remember my first eyeshadow, like one of the first ones I bought, it was from MAC called Freshwater. That was my jam. Like, I went hard with that. Now there is fallout with this, so I'm just going to continue packing it on. I want to tilt my head back a little so I could really get into the crease. You see all that fallout? Woo. Mind you, I'm tapping it off. I also try to do the shade with my finger, but I don't know, it just pissed me off. I just rather use a brush. Going back in with the same brown, I'm just going to pop that a little bit on the outer corner just to blend everything together. Now I'm taking the Morphe 507. Yes, 507. And the shade that we actually skipped over, I'm going to pick this up. This is Bossy from the palette. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to like sandwich the blue and the crease colors together. Going back in with the blue, I'm going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus. I'm just going to pack it directly on top of it. Picking up this Morphe 502 brush, I'm just gonna go in with the first shade we picked up, which is Oh So Sassy, and I'm going to pop that just like the tiniest bit right in the outer corner. Pow! See, that made like a little bit of a difference. Like, it gave it more of a blown out look. Going to repeat the same steps on this eye and I'll be right back. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Master Precise from Maybelline, and we are gonna wing it out today. I haven't done a wing in so long. I personally just like to draw a line across and then wing it out. I'm going to do the same thing lastly on this eye, and we'll be back for lashes. For lashes, I'm going in with the Honeybee from KOKO lashes. My favorite pair from KOKO lashes are the Goddess and the Queen Bees. Those are bomb. Just applying a little bit of lash glue. This is Revlon Precision Black. Sorry. No, Precision Dark. Now it's time to move on to the face. I'm going to color correct with my Maybelline color corrector. Just going to apply a tiny bit. Oh wait. No, we're not doing this first. We are going to prime first. I'm going in with the YSL Blur Primer. It's a miracle I'm even using this because I tried to save it for whenever I go out. But I wanted to do the makeup the same way I did it the other day. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this on my skin. I pretty much apply it everywhere except for my nose because my nose is just oily city. And I like to look pretty dewy. That's how true it is. My thing dropped. Now I'm going to color correct. I'm taking my Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to blend this all out. I was gonna say blur. For foundation today, I'm going in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. One of my favorites, hands down. And this is in the shade Y445? Yes, Y445. No matter how many foundations I try, this one I always go back to. And I'm just gonna work in sections. So I'm gonna do this side first. For concealer, I'm going to mix these two. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and then this is the KYLIE Concealer. And I did do a review on this concealer, and I'll leave the link down below. For powder, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier powder. Before I contour, I'm going in with this Liquid Glow from Anastasia. This is in the shade Bronze. I'm going to place that above my cheekbone. I'm going to smile. To set the Liquid Glow, I'm going in with this Maybelline highlighter. This is in the color Molten Gold. It is so beautiful on the skin. And this is a Anastasia A2, I believe, but it like rubbed off. So the only highlighter brush that she has on her website. I went a little heavy, I admit, a little heavy, but it's okay. It looks scary now because there's like no contour, there's no blush, so all of that will look really nice. Trust the process. Now I'm going to take this Saddle Bronzer from Anastasia and I'm going to apply that everywhere where I want to like look, you know what I'm saying? And this is a Morphe 529 brush. I'm going to start on my forehead and just lightly dust it here. I have to be careful because I did my hair and I don't want to mess it up. Now I'm taking my little blush palette here. These are all like MAC blushes. I'm going in with this one right here. It's called Sweet as Cocoa. I love this blush. It is so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Going to spray a little bit of Fix Plus to melt everything all together. To finish off the eyes, I'm going in with MAC's Costa Riche pencil. And I said this many times before in my videos, I love this pencil. It is so bomb on the eyes. And it does not irritate me whatsoever. And it stays in place. Like that ugly face that everyone makes. To set that liner in place, I'm going in with this brown shade here that we use on our outer corner. For the outer corner, to blend it all out, I'm going in with this shade here. Actually, I'm gonna mix these two. For the inner corners, I'm going to put in a little bit of bronze to this look. So I am going to take the Soft Glam palette from ANASTASIA. I know I use so many things from that brand, but honestly, it's just like one of my favorites. And I'm going to take this shade here called Bronze. And you could use the bronze color that's in the JACLYN Hill palette if you already have that palette. That's perfectly fine because that's a beautiful bronze shade as well. But this one's like my favorite. I'm going to take the amrezy highlighter for my inner corners. For lipstick, I'm going in with another ANASTASIA product. This is a matte lipstick in Honey. To blend it out, I'm using Strip Down from MAC. Ice Cream Man wants his coins today. And to top it off, I'm going in with Gilded Lip Gloss, also from ANASTASIA. I told you guys many times before, if you have not tried this gloss, you need to because it is so bomb. To lock everything in place, I'm using the MILANI Make It Last Setting Spray. So that completes today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Same as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to glow. Bye.